Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can fix your laptop keyboard. Suppose if it's not working in Windows 10. Okay, so what you need to do, you have to go to this Windows 10 start button over here and right click and then click on control panel. And guys, I'm using this large icons, and then click on ease of access setter and then click on start on screen keyboard. Okay, suppose our keyboard is not working, so we will use this on screen virtual keyboard. Okay, and after that you need to again go to this Windows start button over here and right click and then click on run. Okay, and we get this window over here, and you need to type this dev mgmt .msc. okay, and guys, you can also use some external USB keyboard if you like, and then click on OK. Let me minimize that. Okay. And guys, here you need to expand this keyboards. Okay, and just select it. This is standard ES /2 keyboard, and then click on update driver software, and then click on this browse my computer for driver software. Okay, and click on this let me pick from a list of device drivers on my computer, and then just select it and then click on next. And as you can see, Windows has successfully updated your driver software. And guys, the hardware you install will not work until you restart your computer. So guys, you need to restart your computer in order to finish up this process. Okay, so I'm not doing right now, and please let me know in the comment section whether it fixes your issue or not. Okay, so hope this tutorial helps, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care. Hi guys, I have some more videos for you, and if you like, you can check it out, and you can also subscribe to my channel by hitting on the subscribe button over here. Okay, so yeah, thanks again.